This is Honor X7, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you need to make sure that your device is connected to the network. Next, launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can simply launch the app as well as set it up. So in here, tap on this blue continue button. Next, choose whether, the features of the Opera will be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is this page that allows you to customize the permissions and access that you're going to grant to Opera, or you can do like I will, simply allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.